In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable translation features on Telegram Desktop, allowing you to communicate more effortlessly with people around the world, no matter the language. If you're using Telegram for international chats or simply exploring new languages, this feature will definitely come in handy. Let's dive right in and make your messaging experience even more inclusive and versatile. First, you'll need to open Telegram Desktop on your computer. Make sure the application is up to date to access all the latest features and enhancements. Once you have Telegram open, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. There, you'll notice the familiar menu icon, 3 horizontal lines that serve as your navigation hub within the app. Click on this icon to open the menu. From this menu, you'll want to head over to Settings. This section is the central hub for customizing how Telegram operates and appears, so it's worth knowing how to get there. Once in the Settings menu, scroll through the available options until you find Language. Select it. The Language menu is where you can manage all the linguistic settings for your Telegram. You can adjust your app's default language to better accommodate your preferences. More importantly for today's task, this is where you can enable the translation feature. You'll be looking for an option labeled Show Translate button. Once you locate it, toggle the feature on. This button is a gateway to a whole new world of easy and instant translation, right at your fingertips. It's a seamless way to translate messages from various languages into your preferred one, or vice versa. With the Translate button now enabled, the next step is to choose your preferred language. This is the language into which you'll primarily want your translations to occur. In the Language menu, you should see a list of languages. Scroll through and pick the one you are most comfortable with. For many of you, this might be English, but with a wide array of language options available, you can choose whatever suits your needs best. And there you have it. Your Telegram Desktop is now set to effortlessly translate messages, enhancing your communication capabilities with just a few simple clicks. From now on, whenever you receive a message in a different language, you'll see a handy Translate button right next to it. Just click it and the text will swiftly transform into your chosen language, making conversations far more accessible and keeping language barriers at bay. Thank you for joining us on this journey to make Telegram more versatile and user-friendly. Stay tuned for more tips on how to make the most of your digital communication tools. Happy messaging!